Next tayo, number 7. Number 7. Ayan. What is the average of 7 over 8 and 3 over 4? So, let's see. Paano ba pag-average? So, ang gagawin nyo rito, kapag average ang pinapakuha, ay ganito. Add mo lang muna silang dalawa. 7 over 8 plus 3 over 4. Ngayon, kailangan maging parehas yung yung denominator. Ang tanong dito, again kapag average ang pinapakuha, ang solution natin ay ganito lang. Add mo yung dalawang number o yung dalawang fractions na yun, tapos divided by 2. Ang tanong ko, anong pwede kong i-multiply kay 4 to make it an 8? Guys, anong pwede kong i-multiply kay 4 to make this an 8? Anong pwede natin i-multiply? Very good. The answer is 2. Siyempre, yung numerator din magiging 2. So, magiging 7 over 8 plus 6 over 8. So, ito ay magiging 13 over 8. So, ngayon, yung 13 over 8 natin dyan, ang next natin dyan, is i-divide natin siya by 2. Pero, yung division na yan is mapupunta tayo sa multiplication. Yung 13 over 8 divided by 2, it will become 13 over 8 times, divided by 2, it will become 13 over 8 times 1/2. So, magiging sagot natin dito is 13 times 1, which is 13. And then, 8 times 2, the answer is 16. So, the correct answer is 13 over 16.